Everyone, welcome back to our lesson with Joshua's guitar, and today we'll be going over how to make licks on slide guitar and center tuning. Let's get to it. Hey everyone, Joshua here, back with Joshua's guitar. And I know it's been about 10 days since I posted my last video. I'm a bit late on it, but here I am, and we're going to go over some licks today in standard tuning on our slide guitar, and I'm going to show you how to make your own licks. So let's get to it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to suggest that you know is that you know all your pentatonic scales for whichever tuning you're in. If you're playing the blues at least. You probably should know all your scales, positions, for wherever style of music you want to play. So I'm going to do blues today, so I'm going to use minor pentatonic scale, and on top of that I'm going to have arpeggios that go along with the scale, and those are going to be our bass for making our slide guitar licks. So we're going to be in the key of E today, and so we're going to go over some E chord shapes, and I'm going to start up here with the E chord shape. So this is a D shape. And that's going to be 4th fret G string, 5th fret B string, and 4th fret E string. That's our basic E triad right there. Okay, and that's going to be the basis for our licks. So, minor pentatonic scale that goes with that would be the E minor pentatonic scale. I think that's position 2. So that's going to be 3 to 5 on the starting on the low E string. 2 5, 2 5. That's D string. 2 4 G string. 3 5, 3 5 for B and high E string. Okay, so that's going to be our minor pentatonic shape. And we have 2 notes in there from our chord, and that's going to be our E note, our root, and the 5th, a B, and that major third is not in the minor pentatonic scale, but we have a minor third, and those are the 2 notes that we're going to kind of blend in together. And so first lick, or any part of a lick, okay, and sliding in to that major third from that minor third, which is part of our scale. Okay, so that's going to be what I use to make my licks up at that part of the neck for the key of E. Next, we're going to move on to our A-shaped E chord. We're not going to do a C-shaped one today or a G-shaped chord. We're going to go to A and then we'll do E. So here's our A chord, our E triad. That's going to be 9th fret G and B, and 7th fret on the high E string. Okay. Okay, and also I might use the 9th fret of the D string. Okay. And now we got to find our pentatonic scale that goes along with this. So that'd be this one. Okay, so that's going to be starting on the 7th fret of the E string. We're going 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 7, 9, 8, 10, and 7, 10. The high E string, okay? And so here again we have our minor part of the pentatonic scale and the major part of our triad, so we can slide in and grab that 9th fret of the G string. And again, I will use the D string on the 9th fret as well. And I'm just sliding into that. And then I'm hitting the root note, which is an E note, on the 9th fret of the G string. okay, and I'm using the pentatonic scale around that, and I'm playing notes from the pentatonic scale. Okay, so next we're going to move on to our E chord. Okay, and so for each line I'm going to go that one right there, basic part of our E-shaped E chord here, and on the G, we're starting on the G string, 11th fret, and then 12 and 12 on the high B and E. I might also use the 14 of the D string. And for the pentatonic scale, you could use position 1, starting from the 12th fret. Another one, maybe some of you might not know, is going to be the last, or I think I guess position 5. So it's a different scale. I'm going to show you that one. We're going to use that one for this part. And that's going to go 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 9, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12. So it's very symmetrical. Again, 10, 12, 10, 12, 9, 12, 9, 12. So 9, 12, 9, 12, D and G string, 9, 12, B string, 10, 12, B string, and 10, 12 on the high E string. Okay, so for this one, we have our major third right here on the 13th fret, 13th fret on the G string is our major third, and our minor thirds on the 12th fret. And again there I'm just sliding up on the G string, sliding from 12 to 13, okay, and then hitting the B string on the 12th fret, and then same thing, 14th fret of the D string. And what I like to do is we're going back to the 10th fret on the E string from 12 to 10, and then on the same thing on the B string. And then we're going 12 to 13 again, and then 14. You could also stay on the more treble strings and go. And again there, it's the same start, we're just doing the same lick, starting from our A shape now. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this lesson. Again, just a basic lesson, just kind of show you how I start with my slide licks, depending where I'm playing around the neck, find a chord, find the scale that I want to use for blues, right? And then I will play around with notes from that, and maybe try listening to something, and try and put that into your playing, right? So, right, maybe something from that's a ZZ Top, right, and just learn it, and then kind of mix it up and take different notes from it. Maybe slide back into a note. Instead of sliding in, you can slide back, and use little adjustments to make somebody else's licks your own. Okay, so that's gonna be it again for Joshua's Guitar. Sorry for the 10-day hiatus. More consistent next time. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.